Messenger, how to see unsent messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see unsent messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see unsent messages on Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Messenger. Let's say someone sent you a message but then they deleted it right after. How can you see that message? Well, if you actually want to see that message that other people have actually sent you, Messenger itself does not let you do that, but we can do this with the help of a feature on an Android smartphone called notification history. So open the settings app on your Android, look for notifications. Now you might find notification history. In my case it is under advanced settings, and under notification history right here you can see, make sure that it was already turned on, because if you just turn it on, that's not going to work. It's going to work in the future but not for the past messages. What this feature does is that if you receive a notification like a message, this feature is going to keep a track of that notification and show you in the history wise, right? Now you can look for the Messenger application, which means that even if later that person has deleted that message or unsent it, you can still see that message because your history has kept a track of it. So this way you should be able to see deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.